Art is everywhere. You just have to look. The Hall family have another fun photo challenge for you. What can you spy with your artist's eye? Here's some questions and tips to help you think and take notice like a frame-finding photographer. Viewing buildings as backgrounds and finding shapes in the scenery can help us see where we live differently. Let's use our camera phones to take a fresh look at life and turn the everyday into art. The Hall family have been inspired by Nigel Henderson's photographs of his local area. Looking through his camera, the places around him became backdrops and frames for portraits of people. Photographers use frames to tell us where to look and what's important in a photo. What frames can you spot here? What's around you on your walk? Countryside or cityscape? Which shapes can you seek? Can't find a frame? Why not make one with your hand, like this? What frames will you find on your walk? Who or what will you frame? Share your arty family photos with us online.